The Cancer Relay for Life is a community-driven project by the community. The Pretoria Cancer Relay for Life will be taking part on the 16th and 17th of March at the Pretoria Military Sports Grounds in Tabachuani. You might wonder why through the evening. Cancer never sleeps, and it also signifies the journey that a cancer patient takes. Walking into the darkness, the rising of the sun is the hope and the beginning of a new day.
The Cancer Relay for Life is a community project which I'm very passionate about because my father lost his life to prostate cancer.
Teams of between 10 and 15 people enter, and they get an allocated campsite where they can camp for the evening. And it is a relay around a cricket oval. Our first lap is a survivor lap in remembrance and giving people hope that cancer is not a death sentence.
I'm a member of Khanya Angels, which is a 30-member team. We believe that we need to help out, raise awareness so that people can start consulting and going for proper checkups, be it cervical cancer, prostate cancer, or breast cancers. It's not only all people that are affected by a disease.
What the relay is all about is to go out, to reach out to all the people out there and show them that there is still a life after diagnosed with cancer.
We have our luminaria ceremony that takes place after dark. We have entertainment throughout the evening, so you're not bored. We're going to keep you entertained while you walk around that track. The luminaria ceremony is a very important and a very special one to me. Being a breast cancer survivor, it shows us that we haven't forgotten those that have passed away, and we also celebrate the life of those that have survived cancer. We place oil lanterns in paper bags and place them around the track and light them after the sun has set. All lights are dimmed, and we remember those that have been special to us. They are our aunties, our uncles, our moms, dads, brothers and sisters.
We have a 30-member team, and our team name is Khanya Angels. Khanya is a Sotho word which means light, and symbolizing hope, faith, courage and unity. We believe that people should start being involved in this many worthy causes.
The Relay for Life international motto is celebrate, remember and fight back. Celebrate the life of those that have survived, remembering those that have passed away, and fighting back against the disease.
Our team members will be wearing one of these t-shirts which lists some of the cancer survivors and the deceased, mostly because our team members consist of people who are survivors, and some of them have had a member of the family fighting cancer.
How people can get involved instead of walking the track with us during that night is by giving any prizes for the winning teams at the event, and then also sponsorship by giving donations that we can from Cancer Office assist with an 18A certificate that is tax deductive.
This beautiful t-shirts have been actually sponsored by Sunday Times. I must mention that I'm also a member of the Sunday Times, and we appreciate the sponsorship and the involvement. Sunday Times prides itself in being involved in community project. We don't just say we are the best weekend newspaper that actually provides knowledge that enhances people's lives, but we also are proactive and are involved in worthy causes as the Cancer Relay for Life.
The more survivors we get, the more we can go and reach out.
We'd like to encourage you to be part of this worthy cause by visiting www.cancerrelayforlife and joining us on the 16th and 17th, or you can make a contribution by collecting one of these tins. You can put them in your office or ask people in your community to donate towards this worthy cause.
Cancer Relay for Life. One world, one hope.